Advantis Awards 2023. Saluting our stars.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so to get this evening's proceedings started, we have a very special gentleman to invite to the stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, our Managing Director, Mr. Ruan Vaidyaratna.
Our company is stronger than ever before. Advantians need to think like winners. Have that winning mindset. I've always said that. Be physically and mentally prepared and believe in yourselves. Plan your strategy. That's exactly what Advantis has been doing.
Merit Award for Innovation Breakthrough goes to Team Advantis Campus of Haley's Advantis Limited.
Team Advantis Idea Storm of Corporate Business Development.
Willem Fernando, Haley's Advantis Limited.
Prasad Katulanda of Logistics International Limited.
Surinder Diabru of Sri Lanka Shipping Company Limited. Go Green, team of Haley's Free Zone Limited. ICD Operations team of Logistics International Limited. Bodhika Dias of XP Logics Private Limited. A big hand for Sadhna Disanayaka.
Guest speaker, then our Chairman and Chief Executive, Mr. Mohan Pandithage.
I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate all the award winners. And as I said at the beginning, I love to come for Advantis Award ceremony. I wish you all the very best and stay safe and good health.
As we welcome here to address you all, Dr. Sulojana Segura.
This is the 6th year Advantis appreciating their own talents, their own employees. Companies succeed when the employees succeed.
Alahara Canal Project Team of Advantis Projects.
Team DNA of Haley's Advantis Limited.
Advantis Projects, OHS team of Advantis Projects.
Advantis Cycle Parade team of Haley's Advantis Limited. Corporate Business Development team.
Advantis Trading Team of Logistics International Limited.
Team CBD of Haley's Advantis Limited. Data Warehouse team of IST together with the IL cluster. The Project 350 team of Advantis 3PL and MIT Global Solutions.
Ladies and gentlemen, he has the envelope in his hand. Let's see who the winner is going to be.
The winner is Team DNA DNA.
A big hand, Team DNA! You are the winners, ladies and gentlemen.
This award is, I think, spearheaded by the team up on stage. Award has to go into all the HR business partners in the group, all the DNA champions, not forgetting all the SBU and SSU heads and the GMC for all the support. Thank you very much.
Advantis Awards 2023. Saluting our stars.